let's take a look at the Milwaukee Fastback folding utility knife. So first impressions, it fits nicely in the hand. It's relatively small, it's lightweight, but feels heavy in all the same instance. It's very comfortable. Comes with a clip for your belt. Now, in a closed position like this, you can use this as a rope cutter, which is good. This button here presses to open it, and you can just flick it like that, and it opens it up. So let's try that again, like that. So there it is, flicks open. But I don't think that's ever safe when they have that feature, because as you can see, it didn't flick open properly. So as you can see, let's try it again. See, it flicks always back for me. I don't think that's a very safe option. Well, there you go, I did it that time, but yeah, not for me. That, just do it manually like that. Most safe. I do like how your finger can go there or there, like that, wherever you want. Yeah, I do like this Fastback Milwaukee utility knife. Easy to change the blade. Press this button here at this side, slide the blade out, press it again to put it back in. There's nowhere to store your blades, so you do need something extra to carry the blades around. However, I do like the Milwaukee Fastback utility knife. It's well worth having in your toolbox. It's nice and lightweight. Comes from a decent brand. You'll know it'll last for years to come. The cheapest price, you should find it in the link in the description below. Let us know in the comments what you think of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.